Hi everyone, my name is Carla and I will show you how to set up a virtual Wi-Fi in Windows 7. Windows 7 has a feature called Virtual Wi-Fi. It allows you to split your WLAN access in Windows 7 on your laptop or PC and act like an access point for other laptops so you can share your internet connection. Now let's start. First, we need to check if your card is supported by creating a wireless network by entering the code and the command. If it says yes, your wireless card supports creating a virtual Wi-Fi. Next step, enabling the virtual Wi-Fi by entering this code. You can replace the network name with the name you want your network to appear as and password with the password you want to use to protect it. Once you've created the virtual Wi-Fi, you'll need to enter another command to enable it. Open the network connections. This will display the network connections installed on your computer. Right-click on the network connections computer uses to get internet and select Properties. Click the Sharing tab. This will open the sharing setting for your internet connection. Check the box allowing the internet connection to be shared. Click OK to save your changes. Connect your device to the new wireless virtual Wi-Fi. Your mobile device will now be able to find the new network in their list of available wireless network. Open the Settings app and tap Wi-Fi. Select your new network from list and enter the password you created. When you're finished using it, open the command again and enter this command. It allows you to stop or disable the virtual Wi-Fi. And that's how you set up a virtual Wi-Fi in Windows 7.